Welcome to Unbox Therapy. Unlike any Unbox Therapy you've ever seen before, here on Old Busted Hotness. Now on today's episode, I have a special box. Not just any box, but I've said this on many videos before. This is the most exciting thing I've ever brought to Unbox Therapy. So I'll say it again. This is the most important thing we've ever unboxed on Unbox Therapy. This box I had to search for long and hard. I couldn't just go to Amazon. I couldn't just go to eBay. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. First off, I'd like to thank the company for sending it LA hot. Whatever that means. So, trusty blade. Now for those of you that don't know, this box holds the key, the future of a certain car. And if everything isn't in this box, we're gonna be in trouble. What do we got first? Oh yes, the dreaded paperwork. Please check your order. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go through it. Yep, looks like it's all here. And first out of the box, a brand new head gasket kit, oil pan gaskets, all the gaskets you would ever need to rebuild a Datsun 240z motor. All packaged up nice and tight, looks undamaged. That you can probably get on Amazon, but I got it with these guys anyway. And then we dig into a whole bunch of little boxes. We will open these up in a minute. But let's get on to this box. This box will make the engine stay forever. These and this. All right, we're gonna edit some of this out. And then this box. All right. Now we have the boxes within the box. Freeze plugs. Not gonna pull them from the block, don't need them. So, these guys, I don't know why they don't sell them in a set. These are rockers, brand new. Make the engine run quieter, allow the valves to lift a lot better. They're pretty, yeah. Nice and shiny, nice and oily to keep from rusting. Now I've got oil on my fingers. So I got a full set, had to buy them in, they have them in sets of 3. So I had to buy 4 sets, but then they shipped them all individually. Kind of interesting. What are you gonna do? In this box, well, as soon as I open it, ooh, rod bearings. All brand new, pretty. Clear package, look, you can see through it. Ooh. And then in this box, the crank bearings. Plus the 2 with the thrust bearings built in. Just in plastic this time, no backing. Kind of cheap, but okay. And then in this box, again, as I said before, the oil pump. I didn't think the one in our car was bad, but it came with the kit, so we'll put it in. Nothing like having a brand new oil pump to keep your oil in your car going. And now, the pièce de résistance. The whole reason we're doing this, the beauty of the beauty. These are like gold, these are. A brand new set of pistons. 1 mil oversized for more horsepower. Look at that, there's even a stamp right on it. Also came with that pistons, a brand new set of rings. Got the oil rings, the compression rings. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Oh yeah, so good. Oh look, they even labeled the package so you know which ring is which. Top compression, lower compression, and oil. Huh, that's a good idea actually. Yep, they're all in there. We'll have to check all the gapping, of course, when we get to that point. All right, so let's get the rest out. Make sure they're all in good shape. Thing of beauty these are. Yes, they are. And with these pistons, oh, I forgot to show you. With these pistons, I get a new piston rod, or a new piston rod pin. Nice and machined, slides in and out of there. So sweet. Don't want to scratch it up or score it up. All right, so there it is. The master set. They call this a master rebuild set or master kit. Get these from zparts.com. It's a good website. They've been real easy. They worked with me. They called me when they had questions. I'd say that's an A+. So next time, I'll show you the timing chain that didn't show up, and we'll start putting the motor together. That's it for now. See ya.